Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Sirius receiver and opening its Bluetooth menu. This primes the device to advertise itself. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and visible, and position it close, about 3 to 10 meters, to ensure a strong initial signal. Once done, check for and clear old pairings on either device so the new handshake isn't blocked. These steps reduce interference and speed discovery. Do them now so the actual pairing works smoothly. You now trigger pairing. On the Sirius, choose Pair New Device so it starts broadcasting. Meanwhile, on your phone, tap Scan or Refresh in Bluetooth settings and select the Sirius entry when it appears. If a PIN prompt shows, enter the unit's code, commonly 0000 or 1234, because it secures the connection before data flows. Make sure to accept any pairing confirmations on both devices. This two-step you finish by confirming audio plays through Sirius. Start playback and test station changes or voice commands to ensure controls pass through. If the unit doesn't connect, restart both the Sirius and your phone, then repeat the exact pairing steps because transient software issues often clear with a reboot. If problems persist, check for and install firmware updates on the Sirius. Updates fix Bluetooth bugs and improve compatibility. This one troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.